everyone, it's Apollonia and I'm so glad that you're tuning in today. It seems like we've had a really long month of January and I'm on the East Coast, so I'm used to having frigid temperatures this time of year. But it seems like this year specifically, the weather hasn't been too bad, but I'm still craving warmer weather. So if you're like me, you like to plan ahead of time for your next trip. And of course, I've already booked mine. So what I want to do today is talk to you about my favorite in-flight travel essentials and items that I love to carry with me when I'm traveling out of the country. So whenever I'm on an airplane, I usually have the urge to take a nap. So something that has become essential to me is a sleep mask. So here I have the Slip Pure Silk Sleep Mask. What I love about this is that it's so soft. It's gentle on the skin, and then it also really helps to block out any of the light that you may have on the airplane or even when you're sleeping in your hotel or resort. So to pair with that sleep mask, I also have my Isolate mini earplugs. And these are designed especially for small ear canals. What I love about them is that they come with 3 different interchangeable earplugs for extra small, small, and medium ear canals, so that helps you block out the most sound. I am someone who does not leave the house without some form of skincare with me, so of course when traveling I have to have my skin routine. So here I have the Dr. Barbara Sturm Discovery Set, and what I love about this is it has all of the Dr. Barbara Sturm products with it, but in travel size, so that way you can have your entire routine with you when you're traveling. You could use it in flight or you can use it when you reach your destination. That's up to you. So with this, it has the foam cleanser, which is of course one of my favorite everyday items to use. It also comes with a face scrub, the face cream women, the Dr. Barbara Sturm eye cream, and an anti-aging body cream. Of course, if you're not into the idea of purchasing a whole new skincare set just for travel, you can purchase empty 3-ounce containers and put your favorite skincare items into those. So this container I usually put my Ariul 7 Days Facial Mist in, and I also like to pair that with a sheet mask. So I carry sheet masks because they're so convenient. They have serum in them, so when you're at high altitudes like on an airplane or in a drier climate, you want to use your face mist and your sheet mask to keep your skin hydrated. So if you bring about 4 or 5 of these on your trip with you, you're set. Items that are packaged for individual use are often a great way to go because you don't have to worry about refilling any bottles. Also, you can carry the exact amount that you want without having to worry about carrying bottles back and forth, and that way after you use them, you can just throw the packaging away. So some items that are really great to do that with are, of course, sheet mask. You could also use the Dermadoctor Kakadu Plum Peel Pads for exfoliation. And I also have these rejuvenating under eye mask. When traveling, it's not essential for me to have on makeup when I'm on the airplane, but what I do like to do is refresh my skin. So what I like to carry with me if I don't have facial wipes is my DHC Facial Cleansing Oil. And this is great to really just wipe off any of your old skincare, any of your old makeup. You can quickly use this on dry hands and then go to the bathroom and rinse your face off, and then continue with the rest of your skincare regimen. If you're traveling to any destination that has lots of sun and potentially harmful UV rays, you need to have sunscreen. So 3 of my favorite items to carry is a facial sunscreen, a body sunscreen, and then a lip balm with sunscreen in it. So the first item that I love to bring is my Supergoop Broad Spectrum SPF 50 sunscreen. And what I love about this is that it's a stick form, so you don't have to worry about liquids on TSA rules, and it's also clear. So as a woman of color, having a sunscreen that blends in perfectly with my skin, that doesn't leave me ashy and doesn't leave a white cast on my body is essential. So you can use it on your face, your neck, your décolleté, your shoulders, and you'll get a nice healthy glow while also having broad spectrum coverage. So my favorite sunscreen is the Thermale Avene Broad Spectrum SPF 50 sunscreen. And what I love about this is that it's hypoallergenic, dermatologist tested, non-comedogenic. It's also fragrance free, oxybenzone free, and oil free. And my favorite part is that it's super lightweight, so when it absorbs into your skin, it doesn't leave your skin feeling sticky or greasy. It has a really nice sleek feel to it. And I can show you, it also sprays out. It has no color, so it doesn't give you a white ashy cast. And you can see it's already absorbed into my skin. This Avene sunscreen also has UVA and UVB protection and is water resistant up to 80 minutes. Now, if you've ever traveled and you've experienced dry, chapped lips or any discoloration because of the sun, you need a lip balm with SPF. So one of my favorites is the Jack Black Intense Therapy lip balm, and this is great because it has SPF 25 and it smells like blackberry tea, which is amazing. So not only are you getting intense protection and moisturization for your lips, you're also getting broad spectrum sunscreen to help your lips not get dark and discolored from the sun UVA and UVB rays. If you're taking a long flight, you of course want to make sure that you smell good, especially if you're sitting next to people that you don't know. So what I like to do is bring travel size items of my deodorant, of course, and I like to bring some fragrance. So I have Rollerballs of my favorite scents, which is the Acqua di Gioia fragrance from Giorgio Armani and the La Vie est Belle Lancôme fragrance. So these are just great ways to make sure that you're not being offensive to other people around you, because I believe they do kick you off the plane if your odor is offensive to other people. Plus, these are so convenient to pop into your cosmetic case and not have to worry about bringing a large bottle of perfume with you. Of course, and then you also want to bring your antibacterial wipes. So you can either buy the wet ones or they have Clorox wipes. And you use these essentially to wipe your hands, but then also to make sure that you're wiping down any of the surfaces that you're going to be resting on, like the armrest, your food tray, and then the TV screen if your seat has one in the back of it. Because you don't know how long it's been since they cleaned the plane, so you want to make sure that you're wiping off any of the germs that you're going to be resting on, especially for long periods of time. And I like to bring my Tide to Go pen wherever I go just to prevent any stains. It seems like whenever I travel somewhere with someone else, they always seem to get stuff on me, not me getting stuff on me. So this is really handy to carry around to prevent any stains. I have my emergency kit. So what I like to throw in here are pain relievers, my vitamins, cold medicine, and anything else that I think I could use just in case if the food happens to not be too good or if my stomach starts to act up. You always want to make sure that you have an emergency kit handy with you. So I like to travel with a neck and a back pillow with me. So what I like to bring is my purple pillow, and it is a pillow from the brand Purple, the same brand that makes the mattresses, and it has the same material inside of it, and it keeps your back consistently supported. And what's great about it is that it's small and versatile enough to carry along in your carry-on suitcase. Also like to bring a neck pillow. So the one that I have is basically like a neck brace. So what you do is you wrap it around your neck, and then you're able to lean either this way or that, and it keeps your neck supported so that you don't get any neck cramps for sleeping too long in one position. Basically hold it like this on your neck, and you're able to wrap it around, and it keeps your neck supported. And that way when you're falling asleep, you can either adjust it this way or you can adjust it to whichever way you like to lean your head. So it has a flexible inner so that you can just keep your head and your neck adjusted properly so that you don't get any neck cramps. So when I travel, I love to carry around with me my Mophie power bank. And what's great about this is it has a connection for both Apple and Android devices. And this is the perfect device to carry around with you just in case the airplane doesn't have a charging station. You can use this until you're able to use your regular charger. And last but certainly not least is my portable fan. So I got this device on Amazon for about $12, and what's great about it is that it doesn't need to change batteries. You can actually charge this just using your USB cord, and it has 3 settings. So this is the low, the medium, and then the high setting. And this device is great to carry along with you in your purse, in your carry-on luggage or your regular luggage. And for me, as someone who gets really hot very easily, it's essential for me to carry this with me at all times. I noticed a couple of years ago that when I get really hot, I get anxious. So just being able to stay cool at a moment's notice is something that I feel like is essential. And of course, here I have my CalPack carry-on luggage, which is the perfect size to store all of my in-flight essentials. These are my travel essentials, and of course there are other items like underwear, toothpaste, toothbrushes, and floss, but I don't feel like I should have to tell you to bring those things. Those are things that I feel like you should already know that you need to bring with you. These are items that I would usually bring with me that I love, that some people wouldn't usually think to bring with them. So let me know what you think of my travel essentials. I want to thank you all so much for tuning in today, and until next time, bye.